Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Hope everybody's doing well. Probably going a little stir crazy at this point. I just wanted to post a quick video that might help some of you out. Some of you, actually a lot of you, have emailed us this week asking for help trying to find the topics that you are assigned to do. So I think we've helped a lot of you. There are still some of you that have some questions, and maybe some of you that kind of just gave up on it. So let me just kind of walk you through here. This is the home page that I got to. This is my student view. So if you take a look here, this is the default topic that it's sending me to. It's sending me to chapter 6, solving a linear equation with several occurrences. This is my objective that I'm working on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to continue my path and just kind of show you how you can find the topics that you were assigned. So if you take a look, when you pull down your menu here, some people call this your carousel. There are questions in chapter 6. There are topics in chapter 6 that I have available to me, but those aren't the ones that I want right now. I want to go to this Algebra 1 Week 1 objective that we created last week. So when I go to that, you see that there are only 4 topics listed, and one of them is actually an extra topic. This is like a prerequisite that I need to do before I can do the actual topics. So if I want to see all the topics that I have for this chapter or for this objective, what I have to do is go into this filters menu here, go down to the bottom where it says show all topics. And when I do that, you notice that this any topic checkbox here went from 4 to 6. So if I go back in here, now I see all 6 topics that I have to do. One of them right here is unlocked. 2 of them I lost on the knowledge check. And then the other 3 are still locked. Now, one of the good things about ALEKS is that when you get close to unlocking topics, they give you a pathway to do that. So if you click on this topic here, which we assigned yesterday, you can look and see what you need to do to unlock this one. So I need to do this topic, Introduction to the Probability of an Event, to unlock this one right here. So you could go, it takes you right to it. Once you do these problems here, it would unlock other topics as well. So again, Algebra 1 Week 1, go to filters, make sure it says show recommended topics. If you click on show all topics, that leaves you with 6 topics here that you need to do for this week. Now, one other thing I want to show you is how to figure out, without going through all that, to see if you have a topic done. So what you can do here is you can go to your home page and go to the bottom where it says ALEKS Pi Detail. And when you go to this, you're going to get some different objectives here. There are 82 topics that I'm ready to learn. There are 185 topics that I have mastered already. But what I want to do is I want to narrow it down a little bit so I don't have to look through all of those topics. So I'm going to go all the way over to the right and click on this data analysis and probability section. It says that I have 0 out of 38 topics done. So what I need to do is I need to go to this and I need to see, okay, ready to learn. These are the 4 that I have unlocked. These are the 4 that I can do right now in this category. And what I have to do then is I got to look at learned and mastered. If I do a topic and I get it all the way through, it's going to show up in the learned section right here. The mastered part of it is going to happen when you take a knowledge check. So after you learn a topic, it goes here. And then after you master that topic on a knowledge check, it'll end up in here. So I just want to show you some of the other ones, some other categories here, and show you what I mean. So this right here in functions and lines, these are the 21 topics that I have unlocked right now. These are the things that I'm ready to learn. If I go down to mastered, these 14 topics are the ones that this particular student has done on a knowledge check. So those are already done, they've been learned, they've been mastered. So after you do a topic, one of the ones that you're assigned this week, after you do that, it should show up in the learned section. Now, if you're a student that can't find your topics and you've done everything that we've talked about first to try to find it, what you can do is look in here and see, okay, have you learned it? Have you mastered it? If all 5 of your topics show up in this section, that means that you are done with your topics for the week, and you can just do the assignment that we have given you on ALEKS for the week. As always, if you have any questions, please let us know. Like I said in the Google Classroom post, use today as a way to ask questions. There's no new topics today, so you have today to finish up the 5 from this week, and also to finish that assignment that we've given you on ALEKS, and try to get that done today if you can. The assignment's not due till Wednesday, but remember, your teachers aren't going to be very available tomorrow and Sunday. So today is a good day to ask those questions and try to get that done today. Hope everybody's doing well. Like I said, if you have any questions, please let us know.